everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
So Jen, what are we doing this time for the 12th or 13th time? Literally.
So we weren't going to do this because we have many room tours of the rooms at Destino Tower.
We've stayed here a lot.
We have, and all those videos can be found in our playlist down below. But we were upgraded.
Yeah, so we walked into the room a little earlier today when we first got here, and you ended up booking a standard view. Normally we book a lake view, lakeside view or lake view room.
It's like a water view.
Yeah, water view. Yeah, sorry. And but we're on the opposite side because we figured, we're not going to spend a lot of time here, so it's just a standard view. Looks at the parking lot, whatever. Who cares? Well, it's fine.
I booked it so we could have the view of Hollywood Studios, and you can see Galaxy's Edge, and you can see some of I think it's Blizzard Beach. So I thought, that might be cool, and you can see like Everest at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah, but do you have
to be on a higher floor?
Yeah, we're only on the 4th floor.
But I thought, whatever. This was,
fine.
a less expensive trip.
Then we opened up the door and we got this.
Wait till you see this.
All right, Jennifer.
You ready?
Yep. Can you get it?
Hold on. My magic pen is on.
There it goes. There it goes.
So.
Smells lovely to begin with.
It does.
Let's turn on some lights.
All right.
Switch. There's a little bit of light.
I don't know what I see. So what's this light for?
The master.
Both for the same light.
One is the master for everything.
Oh, okay. All right.
Or are you just trying to do a disco? You think we're going to have a disco here in the room by turning the lights on and off?
So you walk in and we're like, oh, wait.
And
you
walk in and there's the radiator here. Wow, that's an amazing radiator. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so
you walk in and right to your, we haven't even looked yet, so.
There you
to
go.
Your left is like a powder room. It's
Yeah.
a sink and a toilet.
Yeah,
Okay?
an extra little room. There's nothing over here besides towels,
So,
right?
okay, cool.
Hold on. Well, okay, it's fine, I guess.
It's
gonna
a powder room.
It's a bathroom. I know. I was going to show it a little more.
Then you walk a little further.
Somebody's in a rush.
And we have a huge sitting area. Couch, table, chair, huge TV, and like a mini bar with a wine fridge.
Is there any wine in it? No.
No, they should left us bottle. But they also left us.
That's a big old bottle of
and
water.
it doesn't have a price tag on it, so I think we can just have that.
I'm assuming.
Which is weird. I've never been in a Disney room where they've left you bottled water.
Keurig.
Oh, you know what? It's probably for the Keurig.
Well, it could be. Or it could be for me drinking it. Okay.
Okay.
So the sitting area
is lovely.
It's quite lovely. We got a chair. We got a little bench thing there, I guess. Table and couch.
And then
and the lovely TV in the room.
Oh, we need to unplug this puppy. Got me
Uh-oh.
in our room.
So we can say stuff to it?
We'll have to experiment with that later, but it's a nice little desk area.
Yeah, look at this.
We got the Hey Alexa, Hey Disney. I think you say Hey Disney.
No, it says Alexa, play music.
No, but you say Hey Disney, I think.
Alexa, play music. Alexa is sleeping. Okay,
We'll figure that out later. But then, so there's the barn door, but behind the barn door, look, we have a huge king bedroom suite.
Is there a light in here? Oh, well, we got to turn the light on.
Yeah, we got to figure
turn
out
the lights
the
on
light.
really quick. Turn those lights on. Please. There you go. Look at that. A little more light.
So you've got the bench where you could sit to put your shoes on in
There's
the
my
morning.
suitcase already.
It's got a king bed with 2 nightstands. And the drawers. 3 nice drawers if you want to unpack on each side. But then we also got a closet with the robes, slippers, like you would in a concierge room, and your extra pillow and blanket with your iron, or is that a steamer?
I think it's a steamer.
Yeah, okay. The steamer, the luggage rack, the ironing board, extra hangers, a big full-length mirror that is actually dirty. There's like something going on right there, but whatever. Everything else is like impeccably clean.
Smells really good in here.
It
And then
does.
the main bathroom.
Look at this. Is there another, like, okay. So double sink, lots of counter space. You got the towels, lotion. What is this one?
The aloe gel.
The aloe gel, mouthwash, vanity
Vanity
kit, shower cap, soap, tissue. I'm sure there's a blow dryer in here somewhere, or maybe not. Yep, your blow dryer, extra Kleenex. And then you've got a second toilet. I mean, this is huge. And your huge shower.
Yeah, this is a big room for just the. And then where's the light for this shower? I guess is here.
Oh, there you go. There you go. And we still have, well, they're not saying they're H2O products anymore. Let's see. Let's get a closer look. So they're just, it's just a shampoo, conditioner, and a
It still
body
says
wash.
sea marine, and then sea salt for the body wash, which seems like it's the same stuff, but it's not
With a different
listed.
label?
Yeah, it's just not listed as, what was the brand?
H2O.
H2O.
Huh, that's really weird.
That is interesting.
So,
We'll have to see if it actually smells exactly
Yeah.
the same, if it's the same product, just not listed as,
yeah.
or marketed
H2O.
as H2O. But the shower is what it is. We've
I
said
mean,
it
I could
many
tell.
times.
I could put some shampoo on my hand and smell it.
Okay, do it. Let's see.
No. So let's see.
It's still green.
Oh yeah, that's the.
Same.
Yeah.
Yeah, here. It looks like a booger. Did you just sneeze in your hand?
No.
Ew. Jen sneezed in her hand.
No, it's totally the H2O soap.
Yeah. It's interesting that it is still the same product, but not advertised as such.
Huh,
Anyway, well.
So, but this is the H2O. It's the H2O body lotion and the H2O bath soap.
Maybe it's just in the process of
Switching out.
switching out.
So I don't know.
Yeah, my guess is that this stuff is still, they've had, ton of these because they're already packaged.
Yeah.
But the stuff that's in the shower is just in a dispenser. So,
I don't know, man. This was a big surprise.
yeah. This is
This
a
was
nice,
a big surprise.
nice room where we're going to be able to just chill and relax. Chillax. And if you look at our view,
It's just the front of a hotel.
yeah. So this is the drive coming up to the front of the hotel from the lobby. And then here is the walkway right below us, where if you're going to park as you're facing the hotel to the right, but from here it's to the left, you got parking here. I usually park on the opposite side going that way because it's a bigger parking lot and there are more parking options. Because over here is just very, very difficult to find anything good. So if you're staying, when you first enter the resort from like there, hang a left so you can head that way. Anyway, yeah, really, really nice.
Yeah, this was a complete surprise. I don't even know how much these rooms go for a night. I'm gonna say, we're gonna have to look it up. I think a regular room at Destino is about, to be in the tower, is about $300 to $350-ish a night. I'm not sure, I have to check because I think we did have a discount. We did not use Timmy's. But I don't even know how much this room costs a
Well,
night.
is this a sofa sleeper?
It could be. Yeah.
Yes, this is
So
a sofa
this room
sleeper.
sleeps 4.
Yeah, so you can sleep. You can sleep 2 people here and 2
Yeah.
people in there.
Yeah.
The only difference for this compared to other rooms perhaps of this size is that they don't have another bed that might pull out of the wall.
Yeah.
Like if you look at Saratoga, they have the
Right.
bed that folds out from the wall. So you'd have, extra to sleep somebody else here. But this, you can sleep someone out here. But still, this is really nice.
This room has a lot of space. This is
Yeah.
very comfortable.
Yeah.
Now I need to look up the price for this room.
Well,
because-
look up the price, then we can tell everybody before we sign
okay.
off. Let's look it up really quick.
Okay, let me see if I can find it.
I'm just gonna follow up to say, because Jen mentioned it, this little spot right here is not a dirty mirror. It's an imperfection, it looks like, in the glass. So it's not dirty because it just tried cleaning it. So yeah, I just wanted to strike that from the record. It's not dirty. So I wonder what this is for. Is this anything in particular, Jen, or just a decorative little Mickey head?
I don't know.
It's like a little Mickey head right here, right on the glass.
Wait, let's do.
Ah, it's kind of cute. So what'd you find out about the price of the room?
I can't find anything on a suite without club level access. But
Yeah.
my guess is, from what I was seeing, it's what my guess is this is actually a club level room, but because I have a feeling they overbooked, so we got bumped to a bigger room but without club level, because it looks like all the suites are showing that all the suites are only club level access in Destino Tower, and they start at $800 and some odd dollars and go up to like $1,100 and something a night.
For a club level? Mm-hmm. See, I didn't find that. Maybe this is, no, but the one that I just read, it was for 2024 prices, and the regular standard view room is in Destino Tower,
but this
would be, I know, would be $316
Right.
is what it said. So
Right.
it said like $350
Right.
for a standard view room, but then club access would only be like $150 more than that per night. So anyway,
I don't know. We can't find the price. If you're a travel agent and you know that information, leave us a comment below.
yeah, anyway.
But
I don't know.
I'm very happy with the room size.
Do we know a travel agent that we could possibly ask?
We do.
Maybe we could just ask Ariane later and see what she says.
Probably.
Hey ho, Future Joe here, just coming in to give you an update on the room rates that I was able to find at the Walt Disney World website, disneyworld.disney.go.com, Resorts, Coronado Springs Resorts, rates and rooms. So if you go to the Walt Disney site and you're looking up room rates, this is what I found. So you have two options here. I plugged in dates. We stayed from a Saturday to a Wednesday, so that's what I plugged in. And you have this Tower Deluxe Suite Club Access, which is $1,163 a night. But we had the Tower 1-bedroom suite with Club Access. That's $1,663 a night. Now I know Jen said there are deals that you can get, usually discounts from this price, but just looking at this is what I found for rates. So I just wanted an update from what we were just talking about in the video. Okay, so back to the video. Anyway, regardless, the room is lovely, and I'm thinking we're going to wrap this up so we can chill out and relax for just a little bit before we start our evening. Some of us have been up since 2 a.m. and we need a nap. So, that
we
said,
don't have a lot of time to nap because we have to be up in Dahlia at 6.
that's fine. I got an hour at least, if not more. So, with that said,
I don't even remember what our outro is.
oh man, she's just been running on all cylinders today,
I know, I'm
kids.
so tired. I didn't sleep last night.
So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action. Because if you do,
in Disney World.
you'll be blue because we're at Disney World for me and you. Blech.
Okay.
I don't know. Nap time for you.
Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it.
How was your bloody earlier today?
I mean, it was good.
You had a bloody we, not we.
I did, but that's a different.
But I didn't even ask you when we recorded that video. We were at Whispering Canyon at Wilderness Lodge.
I don't even know what you recorded for that.
I didn't really record a lot. I did a little bit, but I didn't record you drinking. So
I had a Bloody Mary at Whispering Canyon Cafe, and I had the burnt nachos, which was just, I think, a brisket. On nacho chips with plastic cheese and salsa, and it was good.
it was good. My pulled pork sandwich was fantastic.
I will
Liked
say
it.
though that the water at Whispering Canyon Cafe that they just poured in glasses was awful. It tasted like sewage water.
Yeah, it was kind of gross. It tasted like Florida water times 20.
Yeah,
I mean,
I've
you know,
never
Florida
had
water
that.
has that kind of taste.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
makes me only want to ask for bottled water at a restaurant.
You know what you should have instead? Whiskey. All right, talk to you later. So we wrapped up the video, and then Jen checked the door, and
Well, because I was just gonna do a quick 60-second room tour for Instagram, and I'm like, Joe, there's a paper under the door. I'm like, oh my gosh.
so I don't know if you guys can see this. Hold on. Do you see what that says? That's club level. That's club level. Let me repeat it once more. That's club level. We got upgraded to club level.
So we have been upgraded at the Grand Floridian to club level. We have been upgraded to the Contemporary to club level. We have paid out of our own pocket for Wilderness Lodge club level, and we were just magically upgraded to concierge level
the other
at
ones,
Destino Tower.
The other ones that were, upgraded, they were just like a night or two. This
Yeah,
is
this
several
is
nights.
4 nights.
So when I called downstairs, he said that they overbooked.
Which is what I thought.
Right. And because you checked in so early this morning, like basically when the plane landed, you checked in. So.
No, I did online check-in literally months ago.
Oh, so it wasn't the online check-in this morning. So it was the online check-in that you did months ago. Well, at any rate, we got it. So we're going to go upstairs and check it out now. So we're going to wrap up this video, and then we're going to give you another video with a tour of the concierge level of Destino Tower,
This
the
is
Chronos Club.
crazy.
It's on the 15th floor, so tune in for that one. So we're going to say goodbye again, and tune into the next video where we will give you a tour of Destino Tower Club level.
It's so magical.